Yo, welcome back. We are live again. So basically, why I say pani pani जैसे दिख रहा है, I don't know, but it is what it is. So let's get started with the analysis. Literally slept. The light gone and the battery got off of this laptop, and that's the reason I closed the first live, and now this is the second live. When I closed the first live, I was waiting for light to come, so I was doing the phone on the lecture, and while I was doing the lecture, how in the world I got slipped to how I really don't know. So seriously, so let's get back to our analysis. Here we go, sharing the entire screen. I hope this screen voice is not coming. Okay, so here we go. All right. So let me just check it out. I have to. I will be hiding this. Yeah. So let me just check. Does my voice is the low voice, the medium voice, and the or not. So let's get back. Let me check it out on my YouTube channel. So basically, this is going to. How in the world now? It is loading. Yeah. So everything is going good. The voice is coming only. Brother, it is what it is. We can shift to hall as well, but no, I'm good because वहाँ पे रेंज नहीं आती है and यहाँ पे वेबकैम क्यों चालू हो गया. Changing back to this wide angle, I love this wide angle. ये ओवर एक्सपोजर कर रहा है. यहाँ पे इतना लाइट नहीं है जितना उसमें दिख रहा है. It is what it is. So in previous week we can easily take this trade and make like 1 to 2% easily. But this was a high risk trade if you talk about. But yeah, as per the rules, we can certainly take this trade. But it's completely okay. So let's see it's what currencies we can have. Okay, so I have to check it in middle of the things that we are live and etc etc etc. Okay, these are my lines and why I have put this line. Market is working exactly. Market have been worked exactly on my line, brother. Seriously. Right now we are still on this is the higher high and this is the higher low. Man, so the voice is coming a lot. Okay, I know this. So pretty much, I'm good with this currency. It is thing. It's super sideways also. Yeah, I'm good with this. It is sideways. This is bullish, but it is sideways. I'm good. I don't want you to analyze this. Yeah. Okay, so we have broken this. So we officially got bearish. Weekly is lower low. Weekly is lower low, and weekly is lower high. This got bullish, this got bearish, ding, 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 and now we need the retracement. We certainly can't go down. I need weekly candlestick closure. Yeah, that will be a beautiful elbow. So we just said we can't take this trade. This now it is not a choppy market. Whoa, why this much? Huh? The last option. So weekly is bearish. Weekly is bearish. Daily is also 4 hours is also bearish. I am looking for sell. Okay, the probability I don't know. I am just waiting for weekly retracement candle. Okay, So this is for the next week. This is not ready for this week. Okay, 1 week. We have to wait for the 1 week. Okay. So I'm waiting for the retracement to this area of interest and then push down. Okay. Cat JPY. But why? What is this? Oh yeah, this was a trade, brother. This was our trade. This was our trade, brother. This could make us damn fucking money. It is what it is. Part of a game. Have we haven't moved or what? Yeah, this was my line. We have treated the straight the T. This is higher high. The higher low. The move is already done. So I'm good, brother, with this currency. I don't want to take this trade. Next, next. Oh, higher high. This is a higher low. Like the move is turning now. Next week we can see the pump up to upside, but on the daily, this move is already done on the daily, and then retest to this area, which will give me. Actually, this is also a good area. Let me check on the daily. Nah, not a good area on the daily because daily that area of interest move is done. So basically, I will be waiting for a break and the retest. But if over here 30 JPY, we are waiting for. Mm, yeah. This is the higher low. Hi, this is the higher low. We are in the certainly in the zone. What is up with the zone, man? The daily is bearish, so looks like we are going to get bearish in the weekly time frame as we have hit a lower high as well. But I'm good. I don't want to sell on the area where there are a lot of buyers are going to come into picture. We are looking like this. Okay, so we will be deleting this. We'll be deleting this. So we are on the area where the buyers can come up and push this price to the upside as we are past done like this. So basically, I am good with this currency. Yeah, GBP or I'm good with this currency. It is sideways. Euro JPY, but why? Euro JPY. I am waiting for the. This is the now new higher high, and it is going to get bearish. I can able to say this. This is the higher low. So I want, if I am taking a trade, I want retracement to this area to go up like this. So waiting time is like 1 week, but it is certainly going to get bearish. It is coming down actually here in long term. So I want weekly to go bearish. So odd cat, I'm good with this trade. Odd cat exactly for the man. mm, I'm getting so good in this. मैंने बोला था I have said this. I certainly said this that this is not ready to very good, very fucking good, brother. I am so confident in this trade because there was no elbow. Sun, rain, are about. So now the elbow is created, right? The elbow is created, so I will be looking for taking a trade in this area. Exactly same thing. Exactly the move. See this. I'm getting good in the market prediction. पत्रिका आवाज ये बहुत सारे लाइन्स हो रहे हैं. Um, so now we have created the elbow on the weekly. Now it is ready to go up. It is suddenly ready to go up in here. The 4 hours, suddenly, the 4 hours is here. Yeah, the 4 hours is bearish right now, which is the 4 hours lower high. 4 hours lower high, lower high, lower high. Okay, I can able to see what is going to be happen. 4 hours lower low. So let us going to I know this what is going to be happen. You know you know what is going to be happen. You wanna know? I can literally see the things man ahead on the future. That is the reason I am a professional fucking trader. So the next thing is what is going to be happen. This will be my number one trade. This will be my number one currency. So it is going to push down, okay, and then push up, and then retrace to this area and then go up. This push down will create the weekly wick for the weekly next bullish candle. Okay, so this week is not going to this down maybe, but it is going to something is going wrong here. Okay, let me just confirm once again. It is not going to push this down because if it is pushing down, the weekly candle will look so weird. So the open is here, the wick is here, and then nah, it doesn't look good. But potential higher low it have created to pushed up. So yeah, pretty much it's going to be like this. What if it being like this? Yeah, now it looks good, brother. Now it looks good. So yeah, now it looks good. Yeah, certainly. So pretty much what I'm waiting for. Exactly. So this is not going to be this. This is going to be like this. This daily candle is going to create that previous day. It is going to have the pullback wick and then push candle. So that is going to be 4 hours going to get bearish, then get bullish, and that certainly is going to go up. Seriously. So what I'm waiting for is 4 hours to go bullish. The 4 hours to go bullish. Let me just check it once again. We are created. So whenever we are up, we are buying. Whenever we are selling, we are selling. And we are. I'm so sorry for this. And we are up about this area of interest. Okay. Exact same pattern. Can we find the exact same pattern? Yeah, we can find this. A bullish candle, a bearish candle, close. And then the push is coming on. Oh my, the light is gone. The light has gone, brother. Still will continue until this battery get dead. Cutty yeah, kind of exact same pattern on with dozy, 2 week dozy, and the push is confirmed. The push is going to get upside. That is confirmed, brother. I just wanted to see how we can take the entry. Are we live? Yeah, we are live. Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. We are live. Okay, the push is going to confirm, and I am, but I'm not getting, like that confidence that we can take this straight because it looks beautiful, but still, like under se aa raha hai ki Udesh, this is not that aha moment of for this trade. We'll see. This trade is not giving me that aha moment. So my main goal is until and unless 4 hours bullish नहीं होता है, तब तक I'm not going to take the trade for sure. 4 hours to go. I need 4 hours to go bullish. Okay, daily rejection candle. We got the daily rejection candle. All right. So waiting time is 1 day. Yeah, pretty much 1 day. I'm looking for buy. The probability is medium. Let's say because I'm not getting that confidence. The risk is low. Nahi, low. Nahi. Medium ही रखते हैं. This is going to be swing trade, waiting for 4 hours to go bullish, 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 and this is bearish. That is 20%. Some shortlisting the odd cat, but I'm still saying this is not my. I don't have the confidence to take this trade because the way it is looking. Hmm, yeah, the way it is looking, pretty much. But I was knowing that this is not going to go up. Now with the next week, it is going to go up or it is going to go down. You just have to predict what is going to be happen. So as per my like as per my experience, what I have saw is this thing in the next week it is not going to go up, brother. Okay, okay. So next week it is uh, 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 ta, 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 ta. Where is the train line? Train line is yeah. I certainly can but cannot say that it is going to go up. But what I'm actually feeling like what it is going to do is it is going to do this, create this weak rejection to the downside. Why suddenly I don't know, but this is what I'm actually feeling, brother. Seriously, it is going to create as doji candle. That is the reason. That is what my inside Udesh is saying, brother. This is super cool, but this is not that like aha moment. It has something is remaining, you know. Because if we just imagine and if we just see that the next candle is going to be like this and this week is going to be like this. Okay, the open is like this, the week is going to be like this. Okay, looks weird, isn't it? Yeah, pretty much looks a lot weird, brother. Yeah, pretty much a lot weird. It doesn't look like, yeah, maybe. That is why I have put this probability medium because it doesn't have that aha moment. We'll see. What I want is yes, I want 4 hours to go bullish. That is what I want. We'll see. If 4 hours doesn't get bullish, we are not going to take the trade for sure. See, this is sideways. This is still sideways. But can we to the downside? This is going to come up till here. Yeah, that's this thing is ready to come down. Now it have created that elbow, right? This is the elbow. It is ready to come down. This is going to be a push, like a very big red candle. Sorry, black candle is going to be happening here. Very big. It is very. But the issue is, I was predicting that this is going to come down. I have saved my loss to the T. So, but the issue is here. I start the daily is bullish. Wait, come on. Where is daily higher and higher low lines? So right now daily is bullish, daily higher high and then daily higher low point, daily higher low. Damn, please come live only. Yeah, only fucking only. So brother, what I'm what I'm feeling here, the daily then come down. So this is going to create a doji candle on the weekly. So here the 2 week doji will be get created, right? And then then the next week it is going to have the push to the downside. Yeah, because the daily is bullish because we can't certainly take the trade on by just because weekly is also bullish. We just were taking a trade on a structure of the weekly. I'm certainly good with this trade. I want this to be happen. Daily get bullish. NZDUS, I'm good with the euro odd, okay? So NZDUSD, uh-huh. What are we waiting here? Everyone know, brother. NZDUSD. The weekly is here-ish now. Weekly is lower low. The weekly is lower high, and I'm waiting for a certain retracement to this area and then push fucking down. I am waiting for retracement to this area and then push down. So can we take the counter trade? Because we already know that it needs that retracement. Also, whenever we are above this area of interest, we are buying. Let's say here, yeah, basically it needs that retracement. And whenever we are above this area of interest, we are buying. So we can certainly take that counter trade, but that is going to be the very highest. The daily lower low, and this is going to be the daily lower high. Yeah, pretty much we need the retracement. That retracement will give us a beautiful. We can take this. We can certainly like arrange this the way it needs to be. I like such things. Yeah, yeah, beautiful. This is like a magnet zone. If candle closes over there, and then we'll look for a cells. It's going to wake up. Oh man. So what we can do is make this zone bigger. That is but nah. Weekly is I need weekly retracement candle. That is what we need. Weekly retracement candle. Borobar looking for sell. Probability is waiting for retracement. Blah blah blah. Alright. Yeah, we are doing good. Light came, brother. Light came. Light is fluctuating, brother. Thank God. Light is coming. That is what the main thing. I have weekly retracement candle, and every single thing is bearish right now. Just copy this, bearish and bearish. I'm good with this currency. We'll be waiting for the 1 week waiting. Yeah, we can certainly take the counter trend light gari office. We can take the certainly counter trend trade. But I don't want to because that is going to be a high risk trade. Even the 4 hours is also not bullish. I'm good with this trade. Euro GBP. Oh man, this is going to get bearish for us. This thing is going to get bearish. This is sideways, man. This is sideways. Why, Dada? Why? This is high. This is slow. Yeah. The daily is Now bullish. This is a daily higher high, and then this is the daily higher low. Yeah, we have nothing to do here because it is sideways. First thing first, it is sideways. It is on top. I'm good. GBP brother. I have predicted and I have missed this trade. What else we can do? Lower high. Now we are waiting for the same exact thing here. That is what we need. Exact thing we want here. We are a professional trader. So we are going to focus on the repetitive things. But what is the probability that it is going to do this? Very much, very much low. Certainly, we can refine this more. Yeah. I need the weekly retracement candle to take the trade. That weekly retracement candle will make daily bullish. Oh no, man, this is beautiful trade. But that is going to be a trade for the next week. This is not a trade for this week, brother. This is going to be beautiful. This is going to be my number one trade for the next week. What is going to be happen? The next this I mean, not this week. The next week is going to be, and this is daily EMA. Daily will also create that elbow. 2 week, 3 week doji. Sorry, 2 3 days just messing around and then push to the downside. I am will be looking for this trade to the next week. I'm certainly good with this trade. So I will be looking for sell. I want weekly retracement candle. 1 week. The 4 hours will get bullish, brother. This could also happen that like the next week is going to like just do this. This is a good area of interest. Mm, brother. Hmm. The elbow is not created. I need a 1 week, 1 day dozy here. Right now we are in middle of the zone. So whenever we are here, we are selling or we are buying like anything. Mm, 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 mm. If I certainly got the exact same pattern here, 1 day doji, I will be taking to the next level. But it will be more probable when the weekly will close bullish. The next week is going to be like pushed down. What is the probability of this will create one more black candle like this? Cheers. What is the probability of this will create such candle? Yeah, it has done like this one, two, three, a lot of black candles. Exact same pattern is here. It is created. We will be waiting for the retracement here, but it haven't created. Bam, it melted. I will waiting for the same thing. Okay, here, two things I will waiting for here. I need one. Can we just see here what is the exact same pattern here? 1 week doji, 2 week doji. 1 day doji, 2 day doji. I will be waiting for. Oh, I will waiting for daily dosing. That is what daily to create the higher low. And then we'll be looking for taking a sell trade here. But the most probable thing is waiting for that retracement candle, brother. This is 4 hours. Man, just imagine, brother, if I just could hold this up, that will be $13,000. You will also पहले ही अच्छा था. Yeah, this is all this. But no, let's just say one and then two and not three. So we have to flip this somewhere here. Yeah, this looks a high probable. One, two, three, and then four. Yeah, this is the this is the high probable area of interest. This thing is having the low probable area of interest daily. This is a low probable area of interest. I don't wanted to see even. This is high probable one, two, three, four. Yeah, this is a high probable area of interest. I want daily to touch this area of interest. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. We need our shifter structure to take that trade to the downside. So in a weekly, how we can see here the 1 week, sorry, weekly week we are trade and then next pushing to the downside. But this is going to be low probable. I mean medium. It is not like aha moment. The medium. Why? The risk is also medium. Looking to sell, waiting for the retracement candle. High probable. And second thing, what I'm waiting here, waiting for the low probable thing is going to be happen retracement to the daily. This is daily area of interest. This is not a weekly. To the daily. In a section of medium probable, I also wanted the daily lower high to get created. That is what I need. I need retracement to the daily area of interest. Okay. I need a retracement to the daily area of interest. I need the doji candle or something candle which is going to be creating the lower high. A normal candle will also work. No problem. And the next candle is going to be a push candle. The exact same pattern here. The one day retracement, one day messing around, and the next day is push candle. The exact same I will be waiting for here. That is going to be like medium probable. Okay. But the high probable thing is waiting for the weekly retracement candle to this area of interest. Exact same thing. So we'll see what is going to be the next thing. If I get the things here, I mean, if I get the enter signal here, I will be taking a trade, or else I will waiting for the retracement to this area of interest for the next week to take the net trade for the next week. So that is what I'm shortlisting GBP USD और JPY और JPY काय म्हणणं तुझं exactly मैंने बोला था but this could be a trade. This could be a trade. No, this could not be a trade. What we are waiting for? This move is already done. I am actually have lost the interest in this trade. Seriously, the move is already done. The take profit is already hit. I need the now. So waiting for new weekly structure, brother. 1 month. Waiting period is 1 month. So for 1 month, I'm not going to see this RGPY. GJ, exactly the prediction, brother. पैसे मैं predict कर रहा हूँ. I awesomely know. I have said this. This is see my lines, bro. See my lines. The lines are seriously. This is my prediction that it is going to come up till here and then it is going to go up. And after 1 week, which we are saying that is it has gone up. We suddenly can take this trade, but no, we it is not a good trade. It is certainly not a high probable trade, but the move was confirmed, prediction was confirmed. Beautiful. So now it has kinda, it haven't created the elbow. I'm good. I'm good. USDJPY, I need water. Hold on. Yeah, we're back. Are we live? Yeah, we are live, but सब काला काला दिख रहा है. Exactly. Beautiful, brother. Beautiful USDJPY Kaka. Very good. So finally, you have came out of from this sideways zone. A lot sideways zone. So now then, okay, this zone is broken to the upside. Now the next week is going to be a retracement or maybe 1 week pullback, and that's just going to go up. Exactly, it is going to do this. It is going to do this, and then this. Mark my words, brother. Mark my fucking words. This is going to be do this, and on the weekly, it is going to create that retracement candle and then go up. It's going to create a retracement candle, then a one week doji, and then it is going to go up. It certainly can't push up like this. Okay. So am I interested in USDPY? No, because nah, I don't want to do. This when a price come here, it is going to like come. Certainly, it's going to touch this zone, which I don't like. I'm good. EuroCAD. काय म्हणणं आहे EuroCAD's EuroCAD have created beautiful higher high and then beautiful higher low. But now what? Now what? So I was waiting for this to go bearish, which haven't happened. Let's just delete this. Everything, everything. So now pretty much we are waiting for this to be happen. Retracement and go up weekly area of interest. Oh my god. It's daily high high. Oh, daily higher low. This move is we can't take this trade here. Certainly can't take the trade, but all the best, brother. I am not looking for taking the trade anytime here. We need that weekly retracement, weekly dose, and then go up. Oh no, I'm good. Euro USD. Yo, this is. Oh wait a minute. Wait a minute. As I can see the price action theory, I can able to see that. Oh, weekly. Sorry, Euro USD sideways zone is clear. Sideways zone is done. Now it is going. It needs a retracement. It is going to push down like anything. We have already have rejected this big. We have decided to fill the wicks to the downside, and it is going to come down. And now it is going to come down. Pretty much, it is going to be happen the same exact way. It is going to come till here. This could be a like a good amount of trade. Yeah, this could be a trade. This could be a trade. This is a good trade. Let's just delete every single thing what is in here. Oh. Okay, so this is the lower low, and this is the lower high. This is the lower high. Either way. Daily lower high, daily lower low, lower low. Weekly is having that higher high, that is the higher low. Weekly to push down. I am this sure. Why you may ask? Because I know I have secret information, brother. No, I have literally have secret information. I'm not joking. It is going to come down. So next, what is going to be happen? Exact same thing, which is same fucking thing. It's going to create that wick, and it's going to create that candle, candle, bearish candle like this. Oh, maybe it is going to come like this. Ooh, yeah, this sounds cool to me. Yeah, it is going to do this, and this is going to be a good trade. We are going to hold this trade for sure. Daily, daily, daily का मानना ये है कि ये है अच्छा खासा area of interest of the daily. Is it? I have to flip this. Yeah, whenever we are below, we are selling. Whenever we are below, selling, buying, selling. Yeah, this is a good area of interest on a daily. Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. This is super cool. This is what I need. I need the retracement to this area of interest to go down. Oh my god, this looks super high probable. Okay, this is 4 hours lower high, 4 hours lower high, and this is the 4 hours lower low. Let me delete this. The 4 hours lower low, but the issue is this is a zone where the sideways market was started. I but like this and then this. Okay, I will be waiting for this on the 4 hours. The 4 hours will be retracing to this EMA. Okay, I can also do this, but no. The more the respected on a daily, the less the respected on the. Yeah. Oh shit! Oh shit! I have to close this. I have to close this. I will be back. Will be back after the light comes. Signing off.